Hello, welcome to this demo about batch processing. I will explain you how you can perform a compliance check for a batch of clients with CDD on demand. This is possible with both natural persons as with companies. First, we have to log in into our client portal. Thereafter, we move to the batch button. First, you have to start a new check by entering a name. For now, I will call it demo. Now you have the option to choose between two different batch processes. You can check previous checked and saved persons or companies if you would like to monitor them, or you could upload a list with new relations if you would like to check them all in one go. If you would like to check a list with new relations, just click on that option. Now you choose if you would like to check persons or companies. In this demo we will go through with persons, but it works exactly the same for companies. In this screen, we can upload a so-called batch file. These files can be uploaded in different formats, as a CVS file or as a text file. In most CRM software products, you can automatically generate these as a report. Mind yourself that if you upload a batch, this can only consist of either natural persons or companies, not both. In this demo, we will go through with a CVS file, but it works exactly the same for a text file. Now you can upload your file. This is an example of how your file should look like for a person. And this is an example of how your file should look like for a company. When screening persons, a first name and a surname are required, and when searching companies, the name of the company is required. Additional information is optional. Underneath you see a couple of options. If the first row contains names to make clear what kind of information is in the columns, make sure you select that option. Our file has names in the first row, so we can leave this option as it is. Our CVS file is saved with fields separated by semicolons, so we will choose that option. Now confirm the map fields by choosing the right option in the drop-down. In the next step, you see a short summary and you have the option to save the relations. Please select that if you think you might check them again in the future. Now import your relations. You see a list of all the persons you want to check. When you go to the next step, you see the amount of relations that will be checked and the minimum cost of the batch process. The actual price depends on the results found and the matches. Now click on Start and all the relations you selected will be checked. You can decide whether you would like to download the requested reports individually or as one zip file. Once the batch check has started, you can close the window. The check will finish automatically. As you can see, people are given a state: completed not found, completed no direct match, and completed found. If it says completed not found, the searched relation is not found on any of the aspects on which the relation is screened. If it says completed no direct match, there are matches found with a name that's similar but not completely the same. When you click on it, you can decide whether the suggestion is the relation you searched for. If it says completed found, the relation searched for is found on any of the aspects on which the person is screened, and behind the name of the relation you get the option to download a detailed report. When all the search queries are finished, you can now download all marked reports and upload them to the individual client files. Thank you for watching!